This is William Michael of the Classical Liberal Arts Academy, and in this video we're going to continue learning to read Greek by studying Greek syllables. Let's go ahead and get started. Before beginning with this video, you should already have learned the names of all of the Greek letters and their sounds. This was taught in 2 previous videos. If you haven't yet studied those videos, you should stop and go back and do so. In this video, we're going to be joining Greek letters together to form syllables and practice basic Greek phonics. If you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. In grammar, we learn that consonants cannot be spoken by themselves, but they must be joined to a vowel in speech. Vowels, however, can be spoken by themselves, so the simplest syllables are simply made of the vowels of Greek. Here on your screen, we have the 7 Greek vowels. To get started with Greek phonics and learning to read Greek syllables, let's simply read each of the 7 Greek vowels. The first Greek vowel is alpha, which is read with the sound ah, ah. The second Greek vowel is epsilon, which is read with the sound e, e. The third Greek vowel is eta, which is read with the long sound e, e. The fourth Greek vowel is iota, which is read with the sound e, e. The fifth Greek vowel is omicron, which is read with the sound o, o. The sixth Greek vowel is upsilon, which is read with the sound u, u. And lastly, the seventh Greek vowel is omega, read with the sound o, o. Now let's join consonants to these vowels and practice reading Greek syllables. The first Greek consonant is beta, and you can see here that we've joined beta to each of the 7 Greek vowels. Let's read these syllables one at a time. To save time in this video, you can look at the uppercase letters and the lowercase letters at the same time and practice reading these syllables. Let's begin. Ba, ba. Be, be. Be, be. Be, be. Bo, bo. Boo, boo. Bo, bo. Now let's read syllables beginning with the letter gamma. Ga, ga. Ge, ge. Ge, ge. Gi, gi. Go, go. Goo, goo. Go, go. Now let's read syllables beginning with delta. Da, da. De, de. De, de. D, D, do, 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 do. Now let's move on to syllables beginning with Zeta. Za, za, ze, 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 z, z, zo, zo, zu, zu, zo, zo. Now syllables beginning with theta. Tha, tha, the, 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 thi, thi, tho, tho, thu, thu, tho, tho. Now syllables beginning with kappa. Ka, ka, ke, 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 ki, ki, ko, ko, ku, ku, ko, ko. Now syllables beginning with lambda. La, la, le, 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 li, li, lo, lo, lu, lu, lo, lo. Now syllables beginning with mu. Ma, ma, me, 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 mi, mi, mo, mo, mu, mu, mo, mo. Now syllables beginning with nu. Na, na, ne, 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 ni, ni, no, no, nu, nu, no, no. Now syllables beginning with xi. Xa, xa, xe, 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 xi, xi, xo, xo, ksu, ksu, kso, kso. Now syllables beginning with P. Pa, pa. Pe, pe. Pe, pe. P, p. Po, po. Pu, pu. Po, po. Now syllables beginning with ro. Ra, ra. Re, re. Re, re. Ri, ri. Ro, ro. Ru, ru. Ro, ro. Now syllables beginning with sigma. Sa, sa. Se, se. Se, se. Si, si. So, so. Su, su. So, so. When we learned the Greek letters, we saw that the letter sigma had 3 different figures. The third figure that we learned for the lowercase sigma is used at the end of words. So here, let's practice reading syllables with a final sigma as we would find them at the end of Greek words. As, as. Es, es. Es, es. Is, is. Os, os. Us, us. Os, os. Now let's read syllables beginning with tau. Ta, ta. Te, te. Te, te. Ti, ti. To, to. Tu, tu. To, to. Now syllables beginning with phi. Fa, fa. Fe, fe. Fe, fe. Fi, fi. Fo, fo. Fu, fu. Fo, fo. Now syllables beginning with ki. Ka, ka. Ke, ke. K, K, ki, ki, ko, ko, ku, ku, ko, ko. And finally, syllables beginning with psi, psa, psa, pse, 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 psi, psi, pso, pso, psu, psu, pso, pso. As you study this video, you should be able to name all of the Greek letters, give the sounds of all of the Greek letters, and read any Greek syllables by combining these letters and sounds together. In future videos, we'll study some more complicated syllable combinations and begin reading words while also learning about some of the symbols that you'll see in Greek reading. God bless your studies.